Hey, so I just wanted to talk about in this video the One Comma Club. So what is it? What's a One Comma Club award and how do you get yours? So the most important thing about the One Comma Club is that it's an award that you get for taking the One Funnel Away Challenge. And here's the thing, you have to take the One Funnel Away Challenge, but it's not just that, because if you're going to take the One Funnel Away Challenge, you really need to be serious about it, because when I took the One Funnel Away Challenge, it didn't go well the first time. I kind of got overwhelmed with the amount of stuff, information, learning that was involved, and just the commitment level that was required from me. So I didn't actually pass. I didn't actually succeed the first time I took the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I felt a little bit bad about it. So I took like a month or two off. And then I just realized how valuable the training was, and I knew I wanted to try again. And I just loved sales funnels and wanted to make it happen. So I signed up and took the One Funnel Away Challenge a second time, 2 times. So it was the second time where the magic really happened, because I knew what was involved, how much there was, the commitment level I needed. And I just vowed that I was going to get it done and I was going to make it through it. And I did. It was 30 days of, learning about sales funnels, and each day has like a video training, and I had to get up earlier and I had to dedicate time that I necessarily didn't have before. So you got to find the time, right? Like there's always an hour earlier setting on your alarm clock, right? That was one of the ways that I just got up earlier, devoted time to going over the training, getting the stuff done, because you got to watch, you got to implement, you got to do stuff as well. It's not just watching, there's also the doing. So the second time I was just like, heck no, I'm getting this done. So just buckled down, made it through the training. And it wasn't just like make it through the training and absorb everything. It was take the training, take what they had learned, and then actually apply it and launch it. And then once I did and actually modeled the sales funnel that they teach, that's how I was able to get that award that you see over my shoulder there and get my boom. So after you make $1,000 with your sales funnel, once you complete the One Funnel Challenge, you finish your OFA challenge, and then you send them a link to the funnel that's done the over $1,000 in sales, right? Whether whatever it is that you're selling. Because they'll be able to see the stats inside the funnel, and then you can go and basically send them a link, and they will send you this nifty award. I went and got mine printed out. I'm trying to find a frame inside this office here so I can frame mine, but that's how you get your One Funnel Award, One Funnel Away Award, your One Comma Club Award, and join the One Comma Club and get your OFA. Take your OFA challenge and take it to the next level. So if you want to see more about that, more details as far as the product that I created, the price points, all that kind of information, I've got that as part of my bonuses that you can get access to. Just go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge and you can get my One Funnel Away bonuses if you go and sign up and take the challenge. So you can take what I give you here, plus I've got some bonuses to help you succeed throughout the challenge, because I know how hard it is. So go sign up for it, take the challenge, launch your funnel, and go get your own One Comma Club award. I'll see you in the next video.